700 exercise number 32. Ready? For the good old days, footstep. How often have we heard those words? Footstep. How often have we been told? Of course, good old days, and of how happy they were. Footstep. In those days, the weather during all the months of the summer was perfect. In the winter, it was just what winter weather should be. Footstep. Life was more peaceful. Events did not follow one another quite so quickly. Friends were more true and more understanding. Footstep. There was more respect for family life. Men were happy in their work, and life was a very good thing. Footstep. Those past days, we are told, were very different from the present days. Restlessness and doubt of the wrong weather in both summer and winter. Footstep. Perhaps we ask, when were those happy times when all men were brothers and life was so easy and free? Question mark. Some will answer that they were the years before World War I. Footstep. Others will place them round about 1900, while others will place them in the 90s. Footstep. In our reading also we come upon stories of the golden days of the past, but we find here that at all times during the past 2000 years, men have been pointing back to the happy days of old, attempting to paint for us a picture of those happy days, and to show us how much better those days were than the times in which they were then living. Footstep. What is the reason for this looking back into the past to find happiness? Question mark. Perhaps it is that at almost any time there are many people who are leading happy lives, but who do not talk or write about it. But there are also many others who were happy in their young days, but who have not changed with the ever changing conditions of the life going on about them. Footstep. For these people, the world used to be a better place than it is at present. Footstep. There are few of us who cannot look into the past and find happy days. Footstep. As children, we have little or no control over the details of our lives